Nissan Almera 2018 P0705. Other name for it is the transmission range sensor. So we took a scanner and we found out that there was an error, a check engine light on the dashboard. Okay, so the reason for it, there was rain yesterday and we got the check engine light. So we took a scanner and we found out that there was a transmission range sensor. We went to the mechanic and we replaced the transmission range sensor, but the problem was still there. So we went again to the mechanic. We tried another transmission range sensor. We removed it when we replaced it the second time around. Today, we still have the same problem. So I did not go back to the mechanic and search the YouTube video, and it says there that this is a common problem with the Nissan Almera. So what we did, we will cleanse the rear light because I found out that the rear lights were dim on the right, but on the left, the lights were normal. So we will remove the negative terminal first from the battery and then the positive terminal from the battery. And we will cover it. And then we will also cover it with styrofoam. So as you can see, I removed the negative and the positive terminal. Now we will go to the trunk. We will open the trunk, remove the 3 screws mounted on the right side of our rear light assembly. So these 3 screws that seals our insulation, we will remove it so we can gain access to the right assembly light. We will also remove this plastic cover, these 2 screws, the same method using the flat screwdriver. And we will put a heavy object so that the insulation will not slide up. Okay, so next, there would be 2 screws mounted on this right assembly. We will use a wrench to loosen it up. And we will also, after loosening it up with our wrench, using the hand, we will remove it. Okay, so we will unscrew it. Okay, remove, and then unscrew and remove. Using a negative Phillips screwdriver, negative screwdriver or flat screwdrivers, we will flip it open. So the same screwdriver, the negative, we will unhook the electric connector on our right assembly slowly so that we will not damage wirings. Okay, so unloose 4 screws on our assembly. Okay. Okay, so the 2 down, 3rd one remove, and we have the 4th one or the last one. Okay, so and then we will remove the harness. How to remove this bulb? We will push it down, then left. Push down and then move it left. Move it to the left. Okay, push down and then move it to the left. Okay, so it is now removed. And we also have the last one. Push it down and turn it to the left. Okay. So now it's done. Using WD-40, we will assemble it. We will remove the top and then put the straw on the hole and push it. And then later we will spray everything. We will put the straw on the hole and then we will spray it on the connectors. Okay, we will spray the WD-40 on the connector so that it will be widely clean. Also, on the harness, we will also spray the harness so that it will be clean because the moisture and the corrosion is still there even though the metal sheet is like our naked time. So we'll have to spray even on the, the inside surface of it. You have to clean it. Just the rust and dust and as well as corrosion. So we have to clean it with WD-40. It's the best cleaner we ever got in automotive industry. The WD-40. Okay, so we'll spray it all over it, and as well as on the called male socket and the harness. Okay, so we also spray the 3 bulbs so that it will be clean. Again, we want to make sure that we
assemble everything together, and then after that, after assembling everything together, we check if the lights improve. I would say it has improved, but upon viewing on the dashboard, there's still an engine light. So what we will do here is we will get a scanner and delete the code. But right now we don't have the scanner yet. We're still hoping and waiting for the scanner to be received. Okay, so I ordered it from Lazada and hopefully it will arrive anytime this week. Okay, so if we have deleted the code and everything is success, we will update you with a part 2. of this blog. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.